Hello everyone, this is Deanne from Dazzy D's with another head wrap tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you two looks. At first I want to start off with a turban, just something to keep my hair moisturized and ensure that it does not dry out. Then I'm going to use our Nia Marie head wrap. This head wrap has been recently restocked. The colors are gorgeous. You want to shape it to fit your head, so I fold about 1.5 inches for the look that I'm going for, and then I center it and try to place it in the middle as much as possible. I do a quick tie. I do have that opening at the top. You can push the fabric down, but honestly it doesn't matter for this look because I'm going to try to do something with the bow. So you want to tie just like you would tie your shoelace, and some of our shoelaces look better than others, so bear with me as you see my tie. I'm going to take one of the looped ends and just spread it out. And again, because this is cotton, this material you can do and shape however you need to. So then you're going to take your other end and you're going to just kind of gather that fabric and you're going to spread it out as much as possible. And look at the height that you have going just from the start. So now you're going to take a look kind of at your face and figure out how do you want to shape it to accentuate your look, to accentuate your features. So I'm going to tuck a little bit in. And again, I'm loving the height. So that's look number one. All right, on to look number two. You would start off the exact same way. So I'm just going to untie my bow. And I still have my two ends. One is longer than the other, which again is completely fine. So you're gonna do one more tie, and then you still have that opening in the middle. Take your longest piece, and you're gonna tuck that piece into that opening. And then you're gonna take your other piece and also tuck it into the opening. And you have like this amazing ball or bun that is formed at the top of your head. And that's look number two. Pair this head wrap with some fabulous earrings and some makeup and you are good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Information on how to get the head wraps and earrings are below. Dazzy D's is a celebration of culture and style.